Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and today I will be sharing a product review which has to be Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. As you can see, it has 35 pigments in here. It has also a very beautiful mirror, as you can see, and it's super duper affordable palette out there. So firstly, I'm gonna share the hand swatches. So I will be going row by row. So as you can see, I'm giving hand swatches, and in the meantime I just want to let you know that in my previous video I have told you in my haul from cultbeautyandbeautybay.com, where I have shared all of my purchase experience, what was about the customs and all. I have shared, and there I have mentioned that I will be sharing separate eyeshadow palette review, and that's why I'm sharing with you all. So I hope you will like it. So I will be creating an eye look with this too. So firstly, I'm just showing you the swatches. So enjoy the swatches. Also, one of the important thing I want to mention, that it is not that much long lasting eyeshadow. Like what can I say, if you are just washing your eyeshadow with a very mild body wash, like in here I have used the Vivier lavender variant body wash, it's just cleaned totally. If you are using this eyeshadow palette to create any eye look, make sure that you are using a good setting spray to set this in place. Now let's move on to eye look. As you all know, I never wear any type of eyeshadow without an eye base or concealer. So I am using my most favorite eye base in here. This is the NYX Professional eye base in the shade skin tone. Yeah, that was skin tone. After that, I am taking this warm yellow shade and applying it from the inner portion of my eyelid, and slightly I am blending it in my crease area, not too much. So this yellow color was pretty amazing. Also placing the same color on the lower lash line with the same ratio as I have applied on the eyelid. And the brush, I am using a fluffy blending brush. After that, I am using the same brush and I have picked up an orange shade, and this is the end of the story. Like, it was nicely placing on the crease line, but I was not able to place it on my eyelid. I don't know what was actually happening, but I had to put a lot of pressure and a lot of time, and I had to use a lot of products too. After that, I have taken a clean fluffy blending brush, and after that I am placing this pink shade. This pink shade again is pretty amazing. Okay, it was a very nice color and the formulation was pretty good. Same thing, I am placing the color on the lower lash line as well. After that, I am taking this purple shade with a flat shaded brush. Again, end of the story. It was nicely placing on the crease line, but I had to work a lot while placing this on the eyelid. I don't know what was happening, so I actually could not blend it on the crease line. End of the story. Very unsatisfied with the orange and the purple one, but very satisfied with the formula of yellow and pink. It was a miscellaneous review, guys. I was too confused which one is actually good on the eyelid, which one is actually good on the crease line. So in here I have applied the mascara, which is from Sugar Uptown Curl Mascara. And after that I have used my falsies to salvage the situation of the purple, because I was too unhappy with the purple shade and the blendability. I have also applied the Cosmic Kajal in my lower waterline, and after that I'm using this MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade So Me. It's a beautiful shade for bright eye look, and I am padding the lipstick with the help of my fingertips too to make it a little bit more matte to stay last longer. All I can say that I love the palette, seriously. Some colors are not working, that does not mean the whole palette is not worth it. I can say it's a good investment, go for it. The link is provided on the description box. And yeah, this is my final finished look. I really hope you find this video enjoyable and helpful. So if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Bye.